Fish on top water, right in front of the beaver structure. Not a big fish, but a solid fish. Nice. But I might confirm they're doing what I think they're doing. Now they're starting to herd those fingerlings and fry up into the structure. Follow them up. Well, you got off, but I don't care. Just recording in case I get lucky enough to get a strike here. There's a lot of fish on this beaver structure. There we go. Got him. Not a big fish, but decent fish. Yeah, see a nice fish. So I had one miss on a buzz bait, and so I threw a popper, and he went for the popper. Not a big fish, but that's kind of nice. Often would throw a weightless Senko, but in this case I threw the popper in really shallow water. Nice fish on a wacky rig. Hit it immediately. Might be promising in terms of that beaver structure. He just coughed up a nice minnow. He's also may have swallowed the stem. No, we'll be able to get this. Alright, I'm in a fight with a good fish. I haven't seen it yet. But definitely taking some drag and moving away from the structure. Big fish. Ought to have a decent hookup. Backing off the drag since he's away from the structure. Good fish though. Good hookup. Good job. Yeah, more like 4 pounds. I thought we were looking at something much bigger. Wow. He hooked up, wasn't coming out. Hook is out. Good hookup, good clean hookup. Fish will be fine. Sag 1. So not a monster. Good fish. Good fish. I'm gonna let you go, dude. So. And off goes. Good job. Not a monster, but a nice fish. Really nice hit. Backing off this drag. Maybe 3-4 pounds in that range rather than 5. That's a nice fish. Pulling the DT10 through a beaver structure. Or off a beaver structure, I should say. Alright, I think I got a big hog on a deep crank. Slow cranking it by the secret spots. Fish acting like he didn't know he's hooked up for a few moments. I think he thought it was a small one. and actually saw him and realized it was a big fish, and then he started fighting. In fact, doesn't have a lot of line out now. It makes me nervous. I can see the lure outside his mouth, so worries me it's not a great hookup. Hasn't actually jumped. Got my drag peeled back a lot. Yeah, it's a big fish and not a great hookup. Got it. Whew. One treble, one hook in it. But it's a good one because it ain't coming out. All right. I think it's my first big fish on the goalpost this year. All right, that was a good fish. Not a monster, but a good fish. Six, 8. So here we go. We'll let this baby go. I can. Very nice. Just hooked a big fish. Followed my lipless crank in, so I hope it's a decent hookup. Hasn't jumped. It's a good fish. Just hoping for a good hookup. At least maybe we'll get to see him and get him on video before he throws the hooks. Cast and I mark fish around. This one I was just reeling this in, sort of reeling in a cast, done with it, and then ready to reel it in, and that's when he hit it. Might have been tailing it, who knows. I'm gonna net him as soon as I can see him, because I ain't gonna. Ooh. Yeah, it's a big fish. Big fish. I think that's a big one. Yeah, looks like one treble in there. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Well, it was a good hookup right in the corner of the jaw and some bony kind of. Oh yeah, I got it. But I don't know, maybe little tail trauma. Maybe recovering from the spawn. I think they're just starting to get into this post-spawn recovery. Here she is. Wait. Here she is. Wait. 6'4". On a lipless crank. All right, gonna let her go. Oh boy, didn't hesitate. Didn't even get a shot hardly.